How to fix Android not making calls. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all check your network connection. If it's already connected, scroll down the notification panel. Again scroll down. Now make sure to disable airplane mode. Then open up settings on a device. Now scroll down. Now tap on system and updates. Now go to software update and check for updates for your device. After updating, go back to the home screen. Now restart your device. I hope this should fix your issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.